At 10th place is the Bull, a robust and powerful breed from South Africa. These dogs weigh between 150 to 200 pounds and stand 24 to 28 inches tall. Renowned for their strength and confidence, Bulls are exceptional guard dogs while also being affectionate and loyal family members. Their protective nature makes them reliable companions. Ranked at 9th, the Caucasian Shepherd dog is a fearless and imposing breed originally bred to guard livestock. These massive dogs can weigh 100 to 200 pounds and stand up to 30 inches tall. Known for their loyalty and courage, they are excellent protectors but also gentle and loving with their families. The Tibetan Mastiff comes in at 8th place, distinguished by its lion-like mane and impressive size. Weighing up to 160 pounds and standing 26 to 30 inches tall, this ancient breed was bred to protect livestock in the Himalayan mountains. Independent yet devoted, Tibetan Mastiffs are both majestic and dependable guardians. At 7th place, the Leonberger stands out with its elegant appearance and impressive stature. Weighing between 120 to 170 pounds and standing up to 31 inches tall, Leonbergers are friendly, playful, and loyal. Their gentle temperament and striking look make them ideal companions for families seeking a large, loving dog. Ranked 6th, the Newfoundland is a water-loving giant renowned for its swimming abilities and rescue skills. These gentle dogs weigh up to 150 pounds and stand about 28 inches tall. With their patient and nurturing demeanor, Newfoundlands are wonderful with children and make excellent family pets. At 5th place, the Irish Wolfhound is the tallest dog breed, capable of standing up to 35 inches at the shoulder. Weighing between 120 to 180 pounds, these towering dogs are surprisingly gentle and affectionate. Known as the gentle giants of the canine world, Irish Wolfhounds are loyal and loving companions. Coming in at 4th, the Neapolitan Mastiff is a massive, muscular breed with loose, wrinkled skin that adds to its unique appearance. Weighing up to 150 pounds and standing 27 to 31 inches tall, these dogs are protective and loyal, making them excellent guardians for their families. Ranked at 3rd, the Saint Bernard is a lovable giant famous for its role as a rescue dog in the Swiss Alps. These dogs weigh between 140 to 180 pounds and stand about 30 inches tall. Known for their friendly and patient nature, Saint Bernards are gentle giants who are great with children. At 2nd place, the English Mastiff is one of the heaviest dog breeds, with some individuals weighing over 200 pounds. These calm and devoted dogs are known for their strength and loyalty. Despite their massive size, English Mastiffs are affectionate and make excellent family companions. Finally, at 1st place, the Great Dane takes the crown as one of the largest dog breeds. Often referred to as the Apollo of dogs, Great Danes can stand up to 34 inches tall at the shoulder and weigh between 140 to 175 pounds. Despite their immense size, they are friendly, gentle, and surprisingly graceful, making them iconic gentle giants of the canine world. Thank you for watching. We have some amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned and make sure to hit the subscribe button.